A Texas judge on Wednesday blocked the state from investigating the parents of a transgender teenager over gender confirmation treatments, but stopped short of preventing the state from looking into other reports about children receiving similar care. District Judge Amy Clark Meacham issued a temporary order halting the investigation by the Department of Family and Protective Services into the parents of the 16-year-old girl. The parents sued over the investigation and Republican Governor Greg Abbott's order last week that officials look into reports of such treatments as abuse. Meacham wrote that the parents and the teen face the imminent and ongoing deprivation of their constitutional rights, the potential loss of necessary medical care, and the stigma attached to being the subject of an unfounded child abuse investigation. Clark set a March 11 hearing on whether to ISS. The lawsuit marks the first report of parents being investigated following Abbott's directive and an earlier non-binding legal opinion by Republican Attorney General Ken Paxton labeling certain gender confirmation treatments as child abuse. The American Civil Liberties Union and Lambda Legal sued. Families should not have to fear being separated because they are providing the best possible health care for their children. Spokespersons for Abbott and Paxton's offices did not immediately respond to requests for comment Wednesday night. Meacham issued the order hours after attorneys for the state and for the parents appeared her via Zoom in a brief hearing. Paul Castillo, Lambda Legal's senior counsel, told Meacham that allowing the order to be enforced would cause irreparable harm to the teen's parents and other families. It is unconscionable for DFPS to still pursue any investigation or inflict more trauma and harm, Castillo said in a statement AF. The groups also represent a clinical psychologist who has said the order will force her to choose between reporting her clients to the state or facing the loss of her license and other penalties. Ryan Kirker, an attorney with Paxton's office, told Meacham that the governor's order and the earlier opinion don't require the state to investigate every transgender child receiving gender confirmation care. Abbott's directive and the Attorney General's opinion go against the nation's largest medical groups, including the American Medical Association, which have opposed Republican-backed restrictions filed in state houses nationwide.